Okay. Who was her college roommate? A. Sean, B. Joyra, C. Clarence, D. Sahara. 1, 2, no. 1, 2, 3, go! Ha?
B.
Joyra?
Joyra.
Oh, tama!
Ah.
Brendo!
Ako daw. Thank you. May panalo na ako.
Okay, next question. What's her graduation outfit color? Oh, sino nakakita ng ano niya? Reels niya, reels. Down na down. Okay. A, white.
Ulan mo lang yung ano, yung
B,
shape.
peach. C, fuchsia. D, yellow. 1, 2, 3, go!
Last one.
White? 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 Ate Marley?
Yung damit niya nung graduation. Ayan. Yung damit niya nung graduation.
Okay, next question. What is our Dr. Ina's favorite color? Okay. A, lime green. B, orange. C, maroon. D, baby pink. Yes, Kuya Mario. Yellow.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange daw.
Oh, galing!
Panalo.
Kasama niya yan eh. Kaya alam niya. Ay, naman. Yung or yung gano'n.
Next question. What is my latest subject sa my school? Meron po tayong 4 na choices. A. Biology. B. Chemistry. C. Surgery. And D. Oncology. Latest subject.
Ay,
Latest subject.